Good day. My name is Jacques Smith. I'm a 46-year-old from South Africa, living in a small town called Oudtshoorn in the Western Cape. I'm a very hard worker, very dedicated to my work, and used to work very long hours. With the keen interest in farming, I started to visit a farm every second weekend for the past year to broaden my knowledge about farming and especially on farm equipment. I have relevant experience in tilling and ploughing. I also have experience in alfalfa and also in cattle. I can use the Case 110, Case 155, McCormick and John Deere 6420 tractors, all for my full models. For baling the alfalfa, I use the John Deere Big Back 2170 balers. I have experience in spraying fertilizers using the Tim Sprayer 18,000 liter. I'm more than capable of using hand tools like shovels and forks. I have experience in using power tools like angle grinders, sanders, drills, and so forth. I'm capable of using a welder as well, self-taught. I'm more than capable to service and repair petrol vehicle like cars, motorcycles, ATVs, lawnmowers, leaf blowers, weed whackers, and so forth. I have relevant experience in irrigation, mostly in surface and drip irrigation. I can do fault finding and installation of irrigation systems as well. I would thank you very much for the opportunity you took to look at my video, and I would highly appreciate it if you can give me a chance to prove myself that I will be an asset to you. Thank you very much.